Assalamu alaikum. For the scholarship test for the students who are going into third class, Prime the School of Excellence. This is the syllabus. All the questions will be asked from this syllabus only. You need not to read anything other than this one. Prime the School of Excellence scholarship test. For the toppers in each class, 100% free education for the whole year. Class 3 Entrance Scholarship Test Syllabus Chapter 1 My Body and Its Parts 1. Sense organs and their functions. We have 5 main sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us see things around us. Ears help us hear sounds. Nose helps us smell perfumes, food, and even smoke. Tongue helps us taste sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Important internal organs. The brain helps us think, remember, and control all body parts. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. The lungs help us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The stomach breaks down food so our body can use it. The intestines absorb food and send waste out. How to keep the body healthy? 1. Brush your teeth twice daily to keep germs away. Bath every day to stay clean and fresh. Eat healthy food and drink clean water. Sleep at least 8 hours to rest the body and brain. Wash hands before eating and after using the toilet. Chapter 2 Food we eat. Types of food and their use. Bodybuilding food. Milk, eggs makes bones and muscles strong. Energy giving food. Rice, ghee gives us power to play and run. Protective food. Fruits, veggies saves us from sickness. Junk food like chips, soft drinks is harmful if eaten too much. Water helps in digestion and keeping us cool. Healthy eating habits. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time. Avoid stale and uncovered food from outside. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Do not waste food. Many people go hungry. Sources of food. Plants give us fruits, mango, vegetables, carrot, and grains, rice. Animals give us milk, cow, eggs, hen, and meat, goat. Trees also give us spices like cloves and cinnamon. Farmers grow crops like wheat, rice, and sugarcane. Clean food is prepared with washed hands and fresh ingredients. Chapter 3 Plants around us. Types of plants. Trees are big and strong, like mango and banyan tree. Shrubs are medium plants, like rose and hibiscus. Herbs are small, soft plants, like coriander and tulsi. Climbers need support to grow, like money plant. Creepers grow along the ground, like pumpkin. Parts of a plant and their uses. Roots fix the plant in soil and absorb water. Stem supports the plant and carries food or water. Leaves prepare food for the plant using sunlight. Flowers turn into fruits and help in reproduction. Fruits and seeds help grow new plants. How plants help us? Plants give us oxygen to breathe. We get food, fruits, vegetables, grains from plants. Many medicines are made from plant parts. Trees give shade, wood, and fresh air. Plants make the earth beautiful and green. Chapter 4 Animals around us. Types of animals. Domestic animals live with us: dog, cow, hen. Wild animals live in jungles: lion, tiger, deer. Aquatic animals live in water: fish, dolphin, octopus. Birds have wings, feathers, and beaks: sparrow, parrot. Insects are tiny creatures: ant, butterfly, honeybee. Uses of animals. Cows give us milk, hens give eggs and meat, dogs guard our homes, sheep give wool for warm clothes, horses help in transport in villages. Caring for animals. Give them clean food and water, keep their shelter clean, never tease or beat animals, take injured animals to a vet, do not keep birds in small cages. Chapter 5. Weather and Seasons. 1. Weather types. Sunny days are hot and bright, rainy days are cloudy and wet, windy days have fast moving air, cold days are foggy and chilly. Storms can happen during rainy or windy weather. Main seasons in India. Summer, hot season, wear cotton, drink more water. Rainy season, monsoon season, use raincoats and umbrellas. Winter season, cold season, wear woolen clothes. Spring, many flowers bloom. Autumn, trees shed leaves. Clothes and food by season. In summer, we wear cotton and eat cold food like curd. In winter, we wear sweaters and drink hot soup. In rain, we use raincoats and boots to stay dry. Some fruits grow only in certain seasons. Nature changes color and look with each season. Chapter 6. Cleanliness and Health. Personal cleanliness. Bath daily with soap to remove sweat and dirt. Brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night. Cut your nails once a week to avoid germs. Comb your hair and keep it neat. Wear clean and ironed clothes every day. Clean surroundings. Use dustbins to throw waste. Keep your school and home clean. Do not spit or urinate in public places. Drain dirty water from around the house and to stop mosquitoes. Keep your toilet clean. Flush after use. Do not allow garbage to collect. It attracts flies and rats. Good habits for a healthy life. Sleep early and wake up early. Wash hands before and after meals. Eat fresh fruits and boiled or filtered water. Do light exercise or play outdoor games. Say no to junk food and soft drinks. Chapter 7. Our Earth and Sky. Land and Water Bodies. Earth has land, plains, hills, mountains, and water, oceans, rivers. Mountains are tall and cold places. Plains are flat and good for farming. Rivers carry fresh water and flow into seas. Oceans are salty and very big. Things in the sky. Sun gives us light and heat during the day. Moon shines at night by reflecting the sun's light. Stars are tiny and twinkle in the sky at night. Clouds bring rain when they are heavy with water. Rainbow comes after rain when sunlight touches water droplets. Importance of earth and sky. Earth gives us land to live and food to eat. Sky gives us air, rain, and sunlight. Plants grow using sun's light and rainwater. The beauty of nature lies in the sky and earth together. We should not pollute air, water, or land. Chapter 8. Safety Rules. Road safety rules. Always walk on the footpath, not on the road. Cross the road at zebra crossings after looking both ways. Follow traffic lights: red, stop; yellow, wait; green, go. Do not run or play on roads. Use seat belts in cars and wear helmets on bikes. Home and school safety. Do not touch electric wires or plugs. Keep sharp items like knives and scissors away. Do not run on stairs or wet floors. Inform elders if you see fire or smoke. Use things carefully in science labs or kitchens. Emergency help. Call 100 for police in danger. Call 101 for fire brigade. Call 102 or 108 for ambulance. Always know your address and phone number. Keep calm and seek help from adults during danger. Chapter 9: Light, Sound, and Energy. Sources of light. The sun is the main natural source of light. Bulbs, lamps, candles are man made light sources. Torch gives light using batteries. Light helps us to see everything around. Light travels in a straight line. Sound and its sources. We hear with our ears. Musical instruments make beautiful sounds, tabla, flute, etc. Noise is a loud and unpleasant sound. Sound helps us to talk, hear music, and know danger, alarm. Protect ears from loud music. Energy in daily life. We use electricity to run fans, lights, TV, and fridge. Sunlight gives us solar energy. Petrol and diesel give energy to cars and buses. Food gives energy to our body. Save energy. Switch off lights when not in use. Chapter 10: Air and Water. Air, uses and properties. We need air to breathe and live. Air helps birds and kites to fly. Air is used to fill tires and balloons. Moving air is called wind. We can't see air, but we can feel it. Water, uses and sources. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and farming. We get water from rain, rivers, lakes, and wells. Water is stored in tanks, bottles, and drums. Boiled or filtered water is safe to drink. Rainwater is collected in ponds and dams. Save water, save life. Close taps when not in use. Fix leaking pipes quickly. Do not waste water while brushing or washing. Use a bucket instead of a shower. Rainwater harvesting helps save water. All the questions will be asked from this content only. This video is enough for you to qualify. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स और निजामाबाद की आवाम के लिए एक गुड न्यूज़। डॉक्टर लुकमान स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट 2025 Prime the School of Excellence. This scholarship test in association with Mohammad Sohail Ahmed, General Secretary, Congress, Nizamabad City Congress Committee, पूरे अवामुन्नास निजामाबाद के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है और ये 100% टोटल 1 ईयर फ्री स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट है। इस टेस्ट में अटेंड होने के लिए आपको बस स्कूल पर रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है। हमारा मकसद जरूरतमंद बच्चों को भी एक अच्छा मौका मिले और फिर साथ ही साथ इसमें मेरिट की बुनियाद पर हम बच्चों को फिल्टर भी करें और फिर एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट भी हम बच्चों में पैदा करें। इस बिना पर और इस मकसद से हम एक स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द क्लास 3 टू क्लास 10th। एनीबडी कैन पार्टिसिपेट फ्रॉम निजामाबाद। ये स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट में जो लोग टॉप करेंगे उनको पूरा ईयर एवरीथिंग, बुक्स, ईयरली फीस, IITs, नीट फाउंडेशन, ओलंपियाड, हर चीज फ्री फराहम की जाएगी फ्रॉम प्राइम द स्कूल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस। ज्यादा से ज्यादा खास तौर पर जो बच्चे जरूरतमंद हैं उन तक भी ये बात पहुंचाएं। जो टॉप करेंगे उनको 100% फ्री है और जो सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ आएंगे ईच क्लास में उनको भी अच्छा खासा परसेंटेज फ्रॉम 70 to 50% तक का डिस्काउंट इन एवरी सिंगल थिंग ऑफ द स्कूल ये फराहम किया जाएगा। इसका मकसद, मैं एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते एक विजन के साथ इस स्कूल पे काम करना चाहता हूं और मैं चाहता हूं कि जरूरतमंद जिनके हालात थोड़े से तंग होंगे किसी वजूहात के बिना पर, वो भी मेरे स्कूल से जुड़े और जो अच्छे जहन के हैं वो भी मुझसे जुड़े, ताकि फिर मैं उनके दरमियान में एक अच्छा काम भी करूं और इन बच्चों को उम्मत का एक बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन असासा बनाकर पेश करने में हमारा ये विजन पूरा हो। इस मकसद के साथ हम ये स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट ला रहे हैं। रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए प्राइम द स्कूल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस, इस्लामपुरा, खुजा कॉलोनी जरूर विजिट करें। प्राइम स्कूल एंड मोहम्मद सोहेल अहमद कांग्रेस के जनरल सेक्रेटरी के दोनों के एसोसिएशन में ये स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट अरेंज किया जा रहा है और इस स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट में आने वाले जो भी टॉपर्स जो साल भर हर चीज़ में फ्री पढ़ेंगे उनका जो भी खर्चा होगा वो इन एसोसिएशन ही उठाएगा इंशाल्लाह।